Shenzhen Hypersynes Company, Limited is a high-tech corporation that specializes in the R&D and production of smart kitchen products such as Bluetooth WIFI Meat BBQ thermometer, Smart Wi-Fi BLE Temp controller for Kamado Wood Pellet Smoker, gas grill, electric smokers, and so on. HyperSynes, since its establishment in 2013, more than 40 different models of thermometers with high quality and unique designs are provided to you. We are very happy to facilitate your business with our creative products. HyperSynes is a design-driven company that helps clients improve user experience and build a better reputation among end users. Hundreds of clients from the United States, Europe, and Australia have benefited from our high-quality products and services. HyperSynes focus on proprietary wireless, powered sensors, temperature, humidity, CO2, flow, speed, pressure, and weight. We have extensive design experience in RF antennas and hardware. Provide mature software and hardware services such as app, SDK, UI, UX, industrial design, development, and mass production. As a professional smart kitchen cooking, IoT wood pellet PID/ODM solution provider, HyperSynes partners with businesses to help them design, manufacture, test, certify, package, kit, and deliver extraordinary IoT devices and end-to-end IoT services to empower every aspect within the kitchen and cooking. Turn your idea into a product with a high quality. More creative products are under development. You are warmly invited to join us and share our vision.